Hi everyone, welcome back to the Chrysalis effect. In this video I'm going to demonstrate how to do a squeeze page using HTML, and I've got a very basic template that you may have purchased in with the Chrysalis effect. If you have that, we'll be using that file that you would have downloaded to your hard drive. If you haven't done that, go and do that now if you've bought that. If you haven't bought it, well, it's pretty easy to do this. It's not very hard. You just need to find a free HTML editor on the internet. There's ones for Mac and ones for PC out there, and just put it into Google free HTML editor. You'll find something pretty quickly, and you can follow along with the steps quite easily with this. So, but if you have got the template, it will make it just that little bit easier. And this template might look a little bit simple compared to some of the other ones that are out there, but it's really quite effective. So you can find plenty of squeeze page templates out there if you don't particularly like this one. There's more out there that you can use. There's ones with videos and all sorts of different things in there. You can certainly insert a video into this one if you'd want to. So yeah, you can basically use the same steps I'm taking you through to use any of those other squeeze page editors you might find out there. Okay, so let's get straight into it. We'll go to our cPanel, which is your hosting for your domain, and the back end of your cPanel. If you just log in there, this is HostGator. This is one of the most popular hosting companies on the internet, the one that I recommend to use for sure. And if you don't have HostGator, there's plenty of other good hosting companies out there too. They will have a setup that's similar to this, I'd imagine. So, okay, so let's get into it. We go down to Files and File Manager, and we open up the File Manager. We open up the web root, which is the public HTML /www directory. Okay, now I already have a WordPress blog installed on this domain. That's why all these files are here that you can see. You might only have a couple of files in here if you don't already have a WordPress blog installed on your domain. Depending on which way you're going with this, whether you're going WordPress or whether you're going HTML, that's up to you. But the same steps apply to get the HTML working, so just follow along. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to create a new folder. Make sure you're in public HTML, which is where we need to be. New folder. So I'm going to call this folder something related to our offer. So for me it's butterfly list building, and you can call yours whatever you like. So we've created a new folder. Now go onto the folder here and double click. If you click in here, it'll just go to the rename box. So you need to click on the actual folder itself and go inside the folder, and of course the directory is empty. Now we need to go and find our zip file and upload the zip file. Now if you don't have a zip file, what you need to, the zip file, if you didn't purchase the zip file, what you'll need to do is get your HTML editor out and create one and upload it here, just like we're doing here. You'll need to put it into zip format. That's the easiest way to upload, and then you'll extract it just like I'll show you in a little moment. Okay, so the next step is to press the upload button, hit the browse key, find the HTML file, the zip file that I've given you if you bought the program. Otherwise you will need to make one of these by saving your squeeze page in your HTML editor and making it into a zip file. And then you'll open this up, start the upload, it's complete. Okay, so there we have our squeeze page in there. Now we need to extract the zip file. Extract file. Sometimes it doesn't show up straight away, so we'll just go up one level, back into the folder, and there it is. So it's sort of like a refresh in a way. You could refresh the page and it would probably do the same thing. So we'll click on squeezepage.html and we'll go into our HTML editor. And here we have our basic squeeze page template. So as you can see, you put your headline here, put your sub headline there, put your Aweber or autoresponder code into there, and you can put a picture or a video if you like. You can put a video anywhere you like if you're wanting to put a video in there. So basically I'm just going to go over to our done squeeze page. I'll grab, I'll actually just write it in here. So we go butterfly list building, and that's working. And the sub headline is this. I'll just copy this. Copy. We'll put that there. And we'll paste. I'm just pasting with the keyboard. Paste in there. So okay, so we have our headline and our sub headline done. The next thing we need to do is put the Aweber code in. So we go back to Aweber and we make sure we've got the current list is the list that we're working with, just in case you have more than one list. We go over to the web forms button and we click on my web form or the name that you've named your form. We go to number 3, publish. I will install my form once again. Click raw HTML version. Click in there in the box and copy the code. And we come back to our editor, our HTML editor. Now, like we did in WordPress, if you've watched that video, we need to put this into source mode to actually put the code in. So down here on the bottom left hand side, I should say, you've got 3 sections here, and just click the source button. Okay, so you can pretty easily see what's going on in here. It's a bunch of code. We don't have to do much in here, so don't fret too much. See here on the 14th line, you'll find put your Aweber code in there, !3. So what I want you to do is paste the code between these 2 arrows. So including the exclamation marks. Now we'll have to use our keyboard to paste this in here. So keyboard hotkeys work the best for this. So there we have our Aweber form generator, just like we had in WordPress. And if we go back here to design, it'll show us the form is sitting there. Okay, so say we want to put a picture in here. We need to put a picture in there. So we need to upload our picture to our file manager. That's the next step. So we hit the upload button again. We go browse and we find our picture. There it is. We go open and upload the picture. That's complete. So there we have our picture. It's sitting there in the files. What we do is we highlight this here. We go up here. There's all these tools up here. We've got an image, pretty clear there, an image. Insert edit image, it says. So we click on that. Okay, and there's our folder, BFLB. We click on that, double click on that to open it up, and there is our photo. So we select that and press insert, and there we have our photo. So what we need to do now is go save, saving squeeze page. Now, what we need to do now is we have our folder called BFLB. I'm just going to show you how to find that on your website. So what we need to do is we put HTTP in the address, colon, / www dot, and then your domain, whatever that is. Mine's a bit of a long one. Now, once you've got your domain in there, you go / BFLB was my thing, and then I go / squeeze page .html. So that's the address. So we've got the folder there, and we've got the file that we uploaded and saved. So we've got BFLB, which is the folder, and we've got squeezepage.html, which is the actual HTML file. So we click on that and we press enter, and we go and find our page. And that's how simple it is. So there we go, we've just made a squeeze page in HTML and we have put it on our domain. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.